Oh my god! Oh my god! Good boy!
Oh my god, I've been looking everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. I talk to you now, I have goosebumps about it. It's just every one of us is now scared of what happened. Our team especially have been on the ground from the night of the explosion because we've been getting phone calls and people hysterically calling us from the hospital saying, please, please, my animal is at home. Can you help? Or my dog ran away because due to the blast, doors exploded, windows. So most of the pets actually either ran away from their homes or got stranded in awful situations. Like cats were on edges of balconies or in the elevator shafts, or we saw horrors.
Yes, it's me, Zuzu.
Oh, thank you. We wouldn't have found him. I thought he wasn't here because I came and called for him here.
Yeah, we've been here every day looking for him and
Oh, wow.
A beautiful unity, a beautiful movement was started after that, where people came from all over the country to join a lot of the causes, and one of them was animal welfare. These are moments that, I will never forget. It's just bringing this happiness to these people who lost a lot, and to these animals who would have died and would have suffered on the street if it wasn't for the efforts of all these beautiful people that came and joined to help us search.